How to change your name on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change your Facebook name and username, here is the process to do so. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook and tap on update button to get the latest version of the application installed. The installation and download might take 1 to 2 minutes depending upon your internet connection. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open button and log in into your account. Head over to the profile on the top right corner and tap on or scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings and then tap on Meta Account Center. Then after tap on Profile section and select Facebook. Once you have selected Facebook, tap on Name. Now you can make changes to your first name, middle name and surname. Once you have made the necessary changes, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Review the changes. You can now select to preview your new name and tap on Next. Once the name has been updated, you can follow the same steps for the username as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.